Hi everyone. In this video module, we will see how to add a table to our Google Data Studio, what does metrics and dimensions mean, and how to control what is to be displayed inside the table. Okay, so as we saw earlier, how to insert a table, just go to add a chart and then different types of charts are available. Table, scorecard, time series, bar, etc. So I want a table now. Okay. So I'm going to click table and I'm going to drop it where I want. I want my table to be here. So I'm dropping it where I want. Okay. So let me enlarge this. Let me zoom in a little bit also. So what I can see the order ID and record count. Okay. So these are the column headings which are present in my table by default. Let's try to understand what this actually means. Okay. For example, 20 orders, that is 20 rows, has the order ID as null. Okay. And 11 rows has the order ID as AZ 2021, etc. Okay. Which means that there are in the original sheet, in the original Google sheet we saw, there are 11 rows containing this order ID. Okay. So this is what this table actually means. Okay. So how to change the type of data, or how to change the dimension and the metrics displayed here, we will see now. Okay, let's come to the right half of the screen where we'll see first the data source. Okay, data source, we already determined what is our data source, so let it be as it is. Date, range and dimensions we will not touch now. And then dimensions and metrics. What is dimensions? Dimensions are basically non-numeric. They are text based or date based. Okay. For example, here I am clicking and dimension I'm choosing is region. Okay. So all my data here is going to be based on the region. Okay. That is it basically helps us to categorize things. Okay. So this dimensions are nothing but non-numeric, non-quantitative text-based categories. Okay. Next, coming to metrics. Metrics are quantitative data. These are numbers. Okay. For example, here if we see in the east region, we have 3,345 sales. In the north region, we have 1,200 sales. Okay. For example, if I want this to be my total sales in rupees rather than the record count, then what I should do, I should go to the metrics and click here and search sales. Okay, if I click sales, then my whole data will be based on the sales. Okay, based on the sales in each region. Okay, if I want to make it as profit, I can click here and click profit. So now my whole table is based on profit. So what are the different ways of doing it? Instead of clicking here and changing manually, we can just drag and drop. Drag sales here and drop it. Okay. Actually, we can have multiple metrics and multiple dimensions as well. See, now here the data is based on both sales and profit. And dimensions, there is only region. If I want my state also to be included, then I'll just click state and drop here. Okay. So my data is categorized first according to the region, then according to state, then according to sales, and then according to profit. If suppose I want region first, state second, profit third, and sales fourth, not a big deal. I'll simply drag this up and drop here. Okay. Now profit became third. Okay. So as of now, for simplicity, we will just classify the data based on the region and sales alone. Okay. And sales alone. Uh, we'll see what is meant by optional metrics and metric sliders in our upcoming videos. But now in this video module, we will also see what are the other options available here. Okay, rows per page. Now, for example, instead of region, if I'm having this as my state, okay, having this as my state, There are 25 states available in this data set. Okay, if I want to see all the 25 here, or if I want to see just 5 of them here, all this can be determined by doing our settings here. Okay, so rows per page, I just want 10 rows to be present in my page, then only first top 10 is present here. Okay, I just click, it will go to the next 10, and then here the last ones. Okay, so how many rows to be displayed can be determined by us, okay, by choosing rows per page. Now, show summary row. Okay, show summary row. This basically shows the summary of the whole data set at the bottom. So the grand total of all the sales in all the states is this value. Okay, so this is how this summary row works. The next thing is sorting. Sorting can be done either in ascending order or in descending order. If I want to sort my table based on the sales in descending order, then it is done. See, sort based on sales and sort in descending order. Now, if I want an ascending order, then just click here. Now, my data will be in ascending order, will be arranged in ascending order. So here the state name is not mentioned, so it is 6,000 something. In Gujarat it's 6,900, like this. Everything is arranged in ascending order. Okay, similarly you can add other dimensions and sort your data according to different dimensions in the secondary sort. Okay, now the other options we will see in the upcoming videos. Now for now let's keep it ascending, and let's see how it looks like in the view. Okay, so now I'm going to the end users view. This is how it looks in end users view. Now the states are classified. If I want my whole table to be classified based on the sales, then I can just simply click on the sales. Now everything is classified in the descending order. If I just click again, then in ascending order. Okay, this is as simple as that. So in this video module, we have seen how to insert a table. We try to understand what metrics and dimensions mean and how to play with different fields available with us in creating a table. Okay, that's all for this video module. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you.